Ciao a tutti, and welcome back to Know Your Destination Food. Today, we're whisking you away to the charming coastal city of Genoa, a hidden culinary gem often overshadowed by its more famous Italian neighbors. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey. Genoa, the birthplace of pesto, is a city where food isn't just sustenance, it's a way of life. From ancient recipes passed down through generations to innovative modern interpretations, every bite tells a story. First up, it has to be the iconic trophy al pesto. This delicate twisted pasta, coated in the freshest basil pesto, is a true Genovese masterpiece. You haven't truly experienced Genoa until you've tasted its authentic pesto. And where to find the best? Head to a traditional trattoria like Pesto e Mortaio in the historic center. Their pesto is legendary, made fresh daily with local basil. Next, let's talk about the irresistible Focaccia Genovese. This isn't just bread. It's a cloud-like dream, drizzled with local olive oil and sprinkled with sea salt. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or alongside any meal. You'll find incredible focaccia at nearly any local bakery or panificio. For a truly authentic experience, try Antico Forno della Casana, a historic bakery renowned for its perfect focaccia. Prepare your taste buds for farinata, a savory pancake made from chickpea flour, water, and olive oil. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, it's a simple yet incredibly satisfying street food. You know, you can look for it at street food stalls, or at those small farinateries scattered around the Porto Antico area. And, by the way, Sapesta Antica Trattoria is a local favorite for this delicious specialty. For something a little different, why not indulge in panzotti al salsa di noci? These are delicate crescent-shaped pasta parcels filled with ricotta and herbs, then bathed in a rich, creamy walnut sauce. Honestly, it's pure comfort on a plate. Many traditional restaurants offer this dish. If you get the chance, try Trattoria Rosmarino for an exquisite rendition, often praised by both locals and visitors alike. Being a port city, Genoa boasts an incredible array of fresh seafood. From grilled fish to seafood stews like birria, the flavors of the Ligurian sea are honestly just unmissable. Explore the fish markets near the harbor for the freshest catches, or, dine at a restaurant along the waterfront. Il Maran at Italy Genova offers spectacular sea views and, really, some exquisite seafood dishes. For a more traditional hearty dish, seek out Cima alla Genovese. This is a stuffed veal breast, often filled with eggs, peas, cheese, and herbs, served cold in thin slices. A true labor of love. Many traditional trattorias serve this, especially as an antipasto. Da Mario is a beloved spot known for its authentic Genovese cuisine, including this classic. Don't forget dessert. Genoa has a delightful range of sweets. Try the canestrelli, delicate shortbread cookies, or a slice of torta sacripantina, a rich layered cake. Pop into any local pasticceria or gelateria to satisfy your sweet tooth. Pasticceria Liguria. Marescotti is a historic spot with an incredible selection. Genoa's food scene is, honestly, a testament to its rich history and maritime heritage. Each dish is a journey in itself, steeped in tradition and, just bursting with flavor. So, whether you're wandering through the labyrinthine Carrugi of the old town or gazing out at the sea, make sure your visit to Genoa is a culinary adventure. We hope this guide inspires you to explore the incredible flavors of Genoa. What are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Know Your Destination Food for more delicious adventures, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next culinary journey. Until next time, happy eating, and we'll see you in our next food destination. Arrivederci.